Just a quick little video about setting up appointment slots in Google Calendar. Could be useful if you need to meet with students individually, and they can choose the time that they'd like to meet with you. So if you go to calendar.google.com, or you can choose it using this little menu in Google on any page, you'll find the day that you want to make your appointment slots. And the thing is, you have to set these up by day. Otherwise, the time slots overlap throughout the night and throughout the early morning. But it shouldn't be too bad if you want to repeat it for multiple days. So for example, double click on the day that you'd like to set them up and just say guidance meeting with Mr. C. You'll notice an appointment slots option right under the title. And then I'm going to suggest just hopping over to more options to see more options about how to do this. You can set your dates from, say, 3:30 to 3 o'clock on the same day. So it's just for the one full day. You can set the time length of each meeting, and then you can click Save. So now you'll notice in your calendar, if you click on it, it'll be appointment slots, and go to appointment page for this calendar is what you want to do. I'm just going to copy this link and open it in a different window so you can see what somebody else sees it as. So I'm just going to paste that in. So this is a different user at NPSC, and it's locked to NPSC users as well, because when the student or somebody were to click on this time, for example, meeting at 10 o'clock, their name actually automatically populates in the meeting title, and then the student or whoever's scheduling the meeting can put a description about what they'd like to meet about. You can click Save, and then that appears in that user's calendar only. And now that user is seeing the appointment slot page, and that time is no longer available. So if somebody else were to open this page up, it's kind of like a first come, first served basis. Now, if I go back to my appointment page or my day-to-day page, it'll say guidance meeting with Carolyn at 10 a.m. And what I can do here is I can join a Hangouts Meet, and that information will get copied to that user. So if I click on Hangouts Meets, I don't know how this is going to work if I'm using the same screen, but let's see here. Calendar. I'm just curious now. Where would that go? Got it. So if I click on here as the end user, bear with me. Just minutes. If I click on this meeting as the user, join Hangouts Meets, and I think that user should join the same meeting as the other person, which is going to be weird because I'm on the same computer, but nonetheless. Allow. I'm just going to mute everything. Let's see if this works even. Yep, it does work. So that person is actually in the meeting with you. So that's as easy as it gets for setting up appointment slots. If you have any other questions, just let me know.